Now I'm going to move on to our Italian potatoes. These are great because you're not supposed to refrigerate them after you get them ready. So this is another one of those ideal dishes for picnicking. So we're just going to use these red potatoes. So all we're going to do is fill this up with hot water, and we're going to cook them until they're kind of fork tender. You can insert a knife in them, and if it goes all the way through, then they're ready. That's perfect. All right. Our potatoes should be ready. Oh yeah, they look good. Now I'm just going to take these over here and drain them. Watch it, Gertie. I'm used to working around dogs and kids, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. With Gertie's help, I was able to do it. And we're just going to take our potatoes and cut them up into chunks. Now, I like these cut a little bit bigger than what I would cut for potato salad. I make these a little bit chunkier. Y'all know that I'm an old-timey home cook, and I might not always do things the way that they properly should be done, like cutting this in my hands, but I've done it so many years, and it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. Ain't that right, Gertie? Yes, Gertie said yes. So if you cut your potatoes like I do, be careful. All right, let's start on the marinade now for the potatoes. We're going to start with a half a cup of tarragon vinegar and a half a teaspoon of dried mustard. And we're going to do a tablespoon of Worcestershire, pinch of salt, well, maybe 2 pinches, and fresh parsley. And I've got some garlic cloves that I'm going to mash them just a little bit and slice them and put over in here. Okay, and I've got 3 cloves of fresh garlic. And I was just about to forget the sugar. I'm going to put, oh gosh, about a tablespoon in there. I'm going to put some black pepper. And then after this marinates on the counter, you can taste it and see if there's anything else that you want to add to it. If you think it's a little flat for you, then come back and correct your seasonings. All right, now I'm just going to pour that over. And some green onions. And I'm going to toss this around. And I don't know if you remember me telling you earlier that we're actually going to let this sit out on the counter. You don't refrigerate this. And you could do it a minimum of 4 hours. And you'll want to come stir it about every hour. All right, now for the last step, I'm going to put about a cup of olive oil over that. Now you could actually put your oil in with all your other ingredients. I just kind of like to pour it over there last. See how good that looks? I think I'm gonna dip me up a little to sample it, even though I know it hadn't been 4 hours. All right, and I think all these salads need now is maybe just Paula's lips. When we add the salmon salad, it's going to make a fabulous cold plate. But y'all ain't seen the best part. Because come back for fresh blueberry tarts. Ain't nothing like a tart on the beach.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.